Today's tech tip will hopefully help you to avoid having to do that evaporator core job twice. We're showing you an example of an evaporator core that was replaced on a 2015 Ram 3500. And if you notice, we can see that the neck on the evaporator core is, well, you can see it's kind of a little bit of an angle. That was because when the technician installed this evaporator core, and this is a brand new one by the way, when he installed the evaporator core, he used his cordless ratchet to tighten the screws down for the expansion block. And that stressed the neck and actually created a leak here. In fact, we have a demonstration of that leak. Let's show you what we're talking about. So clearly, we need to follow service information. Even those seemingly mundane steps should be followed. Now, the torque specification for these screws that mounts the expansion block to the evaporator core is 97 inch-pounds. But don't take my word for it. Consult service information to find out what the proper torque specification is for the application that you're working on. We all know how hard it is to remove the dash. We really don't want to do it a second time. Hopefully, this gave you a better understanding of the importance of following correct service information. Stay tuned for more tips.